Gusto mo ba fantasy PBA draft? Masaya to, promise. If our young guns abroad decide to play in the PBA, who gets to be picked number 2 after Kai Soto? If Kai decides to join the PBA draft, sure number 1 pick yun. He is one of one pagdating sa kanyang size, skill, athleticism, sama mo na shooting, pati yung kanyang rim protection. Number 1. After Kai, some would pick Dwight Ramos, a 6'4", super savvy, playmaker, shooter, and slasher all in one. But I would take AJ Edu. Depends ang pang NBA. Big man size, wingman athleticism. Only risk lang is his injury history, but he's a high-risk, high-reward player. Then there's the Kiambao Tamayo debate. Both big wings with steady shooting. Lamang ni KQ, he's more athletic, mas mabilis, more of a face-up kind of threat. Si Tamayo naman has elite post footwork and mid-range mastery. Slight edge kay Tamayo over here. Agree ka ba sa top 5 ko? Kung hindi, sino ipapalit mo?